And the room I am going to start cleaning is the bathroom. My last room to clean. So, in fact, I just remembered I bought a mop so I could wash inside right in here, that grooved area. That's where the old sliding door used to be. So, and that's actually a closet, believe it or not. But I can put linens and towels and, well, towels and stuff like that in there. So, okay, and of course, look at this. There's the difference. It's hot. Okay, so it's 70, almost 80 degrees outside, 80 degrees inside, and 70% humidity. It's the humidity that's the problem. If it wasn't humid, I could handle it better. And since y'all have seen the process of my cleaning, I probably don't need to show you how I clean the bathroom also. But I will show you. Let's see if we could do some magic with the door. That would be really awesome to get that thing cleaned up. The shower's not any better. But we'll see what kind of improvements we can make in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness. Like I say, one thing at a time. Okay, wow, what a difference. I cleaned my camera lens. It's still getting some flares, but not like it was. So far, I have this part of the ceiling cleaned. There's shadows everywhere, so it's kind of hard to see. This over here, I can't seem to get it to focus. See, no, it's not going to focus. But the part with the big white strip down it, I think it must have been painted. It's harder to clean. See, it doesn't want to focus. Let's go pull back. Come on, focus. There we go. So this part here is harder to clean, the one with the big white spot in the middle. And I think it's been painted. I think that's why I'm having trouble with it. Because this is what my water looks like. Usually it's black and it's milky. So I'll have to go dump these buckets. Fortunately, I don't have that much wall to go. Oh, now we're in the outer space. There we go. So I have that much more to wall to go as far as that one personal section goes. Personal section? Well, little section, whatever it's called. So this is just the one above the cabinets. The rest of it will clean off just like the ceiling did, because it's the same material. Okay, back to work. Scrub-a-dub-dub. The sun is shining, so I thought I'd show you what I've done so far. I have gotten this, ouch, walked back into the wall. I've gotten the ceiling all washed. Got the cabinets washed. And I washed down to this point on that wall. And I want to work on this side. So this was where the mirror was. And that's still the dirt. Beside it, you can see the difference. And I also wanted to give you a good look at the sink because I think this is going to wash up really nice. So we'll just take a really good look and see if it happens. But I'm not going to clean up the sink until I get this back wall done. I'm going to try to finish this, the back wall, this wall, and the sink top today. We'll see how far I get. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Okay, the bathroom wall is clean. Above the sink area, it still remains dirty back here. I'm going to do one more thing, and I think y'all will want to be part of it. So, we are going to see how well this cleans up. I just took my gloves off, oh well, not worried. Okay, get my scrubby. Okay. I really think this is going to clean up nice. I hope the stain over here comes out. And actually, I don't mind this marble-looking countertop. Boy, is this dirty. And I am not going to paint the sink. I know a lot of people paint their sinks. But, you know, 2 years or so later, they start chipping. So I'm not going to worry about a yellow sink. Look at that, it's coming off. Nice. My water is absolutely filthy too, so that does not help. Let's clean this one more time. This time with a scrubby. Okay. So I could get it deep cleaned. Oh, I hope that rust comes off. Gotta be careful when you do Reno jobs too, because you never know where you're going to find a nail or a possible razor blade in the medicine cabinet and stuff like that. I did find one, but I didn't get hurt by it. Oh my goodness. I'm really wearing down. But this is turning out nice, isn't it? Okay. Get my fresh one and wipe it down. Not too bad. And of course, before I use this, it'll all get washed again. But hey, that's not turning out too bad. Cloth is a little bit dirty. We'll do another run over. And I'm too tired to do the edges. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to come back in here tomorrow and work on this bathroom some more. In my last room to clean. Okay, I'm going to move the AC plug over here. Okay, now let's, I don't know what that is. The back, oh my water is black again. Okay, let's hope that the stain will come up. That might have been my fault, because I think I left a cookie sheet sitting in here. that I was holding some supplies on. Oh, come on, Rag. So let's hope it comes off. Oh, darn it. Not like I'd like to see it. There's probably a product out there to get rust off with. Okay, let's do a wipe down, see. Darn, I think that's my fault too. Pay attention to what you're leaving around laying where. See if I can use the scrubby and get that out with it. Okay, here's a scrubby. I'll get my shadow in the way. Okay, that's an area that I'm just going to have to work on until I can get it out. And I do have some spray on bleach too, so that might help too. Shoot. Okay, we're going to see some magic here. I wanted to get the shower door cleaned. So first of all, I'm starting on the inside. I didn't put my mask on. I should have. But it's like almost 90 degrees today. And 80% humidity, so that's pretty darn hot. I think this is going to come out nice. Off the dirt. And I can already see through the other side. Probably can't so much. On the camera, there's lots of dust on the door still too. I'm going to finish this door, and I'll see you in a bit. And there's a young man over here, also renovating an RV. So he's doing a complete tear out. It'll be interesting. And I still haven't told you what I'm going to do for my walls. But I thought it was funny because he's doing the same thing for his walls. I saw his material outside and I was like, really? I know what you're doing with that. And he started laughing, and he showed me some pictures that he collected too, and they were really pretty. So, but I'm not giving out that secret yet. So, live the life you love, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.